Hi guys, how are you? This is Cecily. Welcome to another one of my videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do my Apres Gel X nails. I've done a couple of videos like this before. If you want to check them out, I'll leave them linked down below, and you can also go on my channel and look for them. But today I'm giving you like some tips on how to make your nails last longer, how to avoid for them to be lifting or popping up. These are the nails that I did this time, and they're more like for a holiday kind of look since like Christmas is coming. Well, first Thanksgiving and then Christmas, and like it's just like too many things going on and too many events, so I wanted to do something more like natural, also like kind of like glam and like shiny. I don't know, I love this kind of looks. So yeah, I'll show you all about that and the whole process that I do to do my nails. So I hope that you guys like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget that you can do so by clicking in the button down below. And I will also be linking all of the products and things that I use to do my nails. They are like, most of them are like dupes or like very affordable. They're from Amazon, so everything's gonna be in the description box for you guys to check it out. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I usually start by pushing out the cuticles, and sometimes I use this thing that they sell in stores, but since I ran out of it, I'm just pushing the cuticles and removing them. And once that is done, I start by testing all the tips that I'm gonna be using. For this, I'm using this medium round tips that I will link down below for you guys, and I make sure that it fits my nail perfectly, because if it's a little bit bigger on the sides, then it will pop off. So I'm measuring really well, and if it's a little bit bigger, I can always file it, which I do after I select all of my nail tips. And once I know that they will all fit my nails, I start by filing the inside of the nail tips, and this is so that they are they're not like shiny and they stick to your nails a lot better. And I like doing this instead of filing my own nails because I trying to grow my nails and have them healthier, so I just file the inside of every tip. Then I like applying this dehydrator to all of my nails, and you can also apply some primer to the nail tips and to your nails right after you dehydrate them, and this makes sure that they are not shiny at all and it sticks better. And with the primer, it's like a little sticky, so it will make sure that they last even longer. Then for the Gel X, I use this one from Beetles, and I know that it says nail glue. I still don't know why they say that, but it's just gel. And I apply a thin layer to my nail and cure it under the lamp for like 30 to 60 seconds. And for this one, I use like a gooseneck lamp, and this is a lifesaver. It's like so much easier to use. I will link it down below for you guys. Then when it's dry, I apply a thin layer onto the tip and then just a little extra at the bottom of it so that when you press it, it covers all of your nail and it sticks very well. And then very carefully, you're gonna move your nail to under the UV lamp and cure that for like 60 seconds. And I repeat that same step to all of my nails. I like doing both hands first, and then I start like filing them and styling them however I want. Once I'm done with all my nails, I like to go with a bigger UV lamp and put them there for like a minute, just so that I'm sure that they are all sealed and dry and they won't lift. Then I can move on to cutting them. I use this nail clipper, but there are like some betters on Amazon, which I will link down below for you guys, that I really recommend so that all of your nails are the same size. These ones were a little bit too large for me, so I'm trimming them just a little bit. And since I want to go for like an almond shape, I also take a regular clipper and clip the corner so that it's easier for me to file it. It really like saves so much time. I didn't have my usual file, but I went with this one and started shaping my nails. I always go with one side first, and once I know that that's how I want it to look on that side, I go to the next side to make sure that I have an even almond shape, and I just go back and forth to make sure that it's all looking good. Then I take my drill and I take any excess that I could have had on around my cuticles. Just make sure that everything's even, and then I switch the tips so that I can file all the top of the nail and like all the surface to make sure that it's like edgy, and I can add some gel polish. For gel polish, I'm using this 036 color, which is like a peach but also like light pink color, and that's like my base for all of the nails. And then I go with the glitter polish to add on top of it to make it look shiny. And then I do the same peachy base for the rest of the nails. And then for the index and pinky finger, I'm trying to do kind of like a French style, and I'm using that glitter gel polish. I do like 2 or 3 coats of that, and also like I cure in between changing gel polishes. And for my middle finger and ring finger, I use this like glitter gel polish. It's a little bit different. It has like little like stickers, I guess. I don't know what to call them, but I try to like distribute them kind of like in an ombre way, if that makes sense. And then I also like cure that once it is done, and then I apply some clear gel polish just to seal everything. And that's basically it for these nails. They look very natural but also have that accent that makes them look really cute, and I always like to finish everything with some cuticle oil. It really helps with my nails, and it also helps for the gel eggs to not lift or anything like that. So that's it for this video. I hope that you guys liked it, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments or on my Instagram or social media if you would want me to do some more of this kind of videos. I would love to show you like how I remove my nails, how I take care of them, and I'm in the process of growing them a lot more. So Apres Gel X, it's definitely like the way to go to grow your nails, and it's something that it doesn't damage your nails that much, so that's why I love doing them. But yeah, I hope that you guys, I hope to see you guys on more of my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.